How to solve square root of 5a minus square root of a equals 8. What is the value of a? We are given square root of 5a minus square root of a equals 8. We can express this as square root of 5 times square root of a minus square root of a equals 8. Since square root of a is common, you can say thus square root of a here is a common factor. So we can express this as a square root over a bracket square root of 5 minus 1 equals 8. Dividing both sides by square root of 5 minus 1 will give us square root of 5 minus 1 divided by square root over 5 minus 1. Square root of 5 minus 1 cancels square root of 5 minus 1 here, giving us square root of a equals 8 over square root of 5 minus 1. Multiplying the right hand side here by conjugate of square root of 5 minus 1 will give us square root of a equals 8 over square root of 5 minus 1 times square root of 5 plus 1 all over square root of 5 plus 1 square root of a equals 8 bracket square root of 5 plus 1 all over 5 minus 1. Square root of a equals 8 bracket square root of 5 plus 1 all over 4. 4 goes into 8 2 times. Square root of a equals 2 bracket square root of 5 plus 1. Squaring both sides will give us square root of a squared equals 2 bracket square root of 5 plus 1 squared. Two will cancel square root sign here, giving us a equals 2 squared bracket square root of 5 plus 1 squared. Applying the identity, or we can say here a equals 4 bracket square root of 5 plus 1 squared, and applying the identity here on the right hand side here, applying the identity x plus y squared equals x squared plus 2xy plus y squared will give us a equals 4 bracket 5 plus 2 square root of 5 plus 1. And this will give us a equals 4 bracket 6 plus 2 square root of 5. A equals 4 times 6 is 24 plus 4 times 2 is 8, 5. Therefore, our final answer is a equals 24 plus 8 square root of 5. Thank you for watching.